In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Jira API token in just about 5 minutes. This guide should help streamline your interactions with Jira's API, which is indispensable for developers and project managers who need one-click access or want to integrate Jira with other tools seamlessly. Let's start by opening up your preferred web browser. If you use Jira, you likely have it saved in your bookmarks, but if not, don't worry. You can simply type in the URL Jira provides for your organization. Once you're there, you should see the homepage or dashboard. The focus today, though, will be on retrieving that all-important API token. Once you're on the Jira dashboard, the next thing to do is head over to the top right corner of the screen. There, you should notice an icon that's typically either your profile picture or an initial if you haven't uploaded one. This icon represents your account settings. Go ahead and click on it. After clicking on your profile icon, a drop-down menu should appear. Within this menu, you will find an option labeled Manage Account. Click on this option and it will direct you to the Atlassian Account Management dashboard, which houses all the settings and options related to your Atlassian products, including Jira. Now that you are on the Atlassian Account Management page, look at the navigation options usually found on the left side of the page. Search for an item labeled Security. Clicking on this will take you to the security section of your account settings, where you can alter and review different security aspects of your account. When you're in the security section, you'll have several options related to keeping your account safe. Among those options, you should find one called Create and Manage API Tokens. Clicking on this will open the specific area where you can generate and manage your API tokens for different applications, not just Jira. When you open the Create and Manage API Tokens page, you'll likely notice a list of tokens if you've created any before, or it might be empty if this is your first time. To create a new token, find and click on the Create Token button. This button initiates the process, providing a simple interface to specify what you want your API token to be used for. The next step involves naming your API token. It's a good practice to use a descriptive name here, something that helps you remember what this token is associated with or used for, like project management integration or app development access. A clear naming convention makes managing multiple tokens straightforward, particularly when you might need to delete or renew them in the future. After entering an appropriate name for your API token, you'll need to click the Create button to generate your token. Upon creation, the token will be displayed once on your screen. It's important to note that for security reasons, you won't be able to see this token again, so be sure to copy it immediately to a secure location, such as a password manager or a document that is safe and private. With your token saved, you can now use it to authenticate API requests you make with Jira. This token replaces your password in the basic authentication process. Whenever you want to consume Jira's API, you will input your email address and this token as your password to authenticate those requests. Remember, this token acts like a password, so handle it with the same level of care and do not share it unnecessarily. And there you have it, you've successfully created a Jira API token. Having an API token allows you to access and integrate various applications with Jira securely, automating and streamlining your processes. It's a tool that can profoundly enhance how you manage projects, track issues, and collaborate with your teams within Jira. For any additional guidance on implementing this token or connecting it with other services, Atlassian's extensive online documentation can be incredibly helpful. Also, consider checking in with your company's IT team if you're unsure about integrating certain applications with Jira, as they can offer advice tailored to your specific environment. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. For more tech tips and tricks to help improve your workflows, be sure to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications for the latest video updates. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or feedback. Happy coding and project managing.